friends, I'm in my kitchen. I just realized I forgot to tape an intro for this video. So this is like a quick mixing video of how to make gradients, which I've been obsessed with, okay? And I'm using 3 piggies, Majesty, Persephone, and Violet Rain, okay? So we're going like purples to violets to magenta-es, okay? Then for 2Bs, I'm just having 2 colors, Diox Purple, Australian Red Violet, okay? And black and white. And with those colors, we can make it like an array of rainbows. Just wait until you see this color combo. Hi, Tupac. He watches us in our kitchen. So watch this, mix it up, and then directly in a day or 2, I'm gonna post what I did with them, love them. And then after that, I did 2 videos with these colors because I love them so much. Enjoy, bye. Okay, I already have my Majesty mixed up. Let's mix up some Persephone, Violet Rain, and might as well fill these guys up too while we're at it. Now, you know I have lots of mixing videos, and you know we eyeball it, but all my mixing videos are in the description if you are looking for them. So, go like this. I love this color, it's so intense. All right. And we'll open up the Violet Rain. And blooper in. Violet Rain is a really nice, it has a warm, like reddish sheen to it. So that's quite nice as well. So let's mix them up. Make sure they're nice and melted. Let me just do that with my hands, holding them. Okay, and we'll do the same for this. Now, let us for the tube paints, why don't I just plop in my bear for all of them, and then bloop and a bloop, 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 okay? Bloop, 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 a little more bloop in there, bloop, 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 and bloop. Okay, they're all blooped in nice. So we're gonna start with the straight. Diox Purple is pretty intense, okay? And then, so I'm gonna go Diox Purple in here, okay? Now, in this one, I'm gonna go straight Australian Red Violet by Matisse, such an intense color as well. Bloop her in, okay? And then in the middle, we're gonna bloop one of each, see what happens. And then on this one, we're going to take some of this and add white, okay? Because we're like little mad scientists. So first, let's mix these guys up. We know they're gonna be pretty standard. Diox Purple is one of those colors that really take over. So you do wanna use it carefully. Well, especially the golden, because it's so pigmented, you know what I mean? All right, let's see how we did here. And we might have to adjust. I don't know that I've ever mixed them together, so I don't know what they look like. If it's much different. So far it doesn't look that much different, so I might zhuzh it up a bit. Or I might just add white to that, to be honest. So this does not look as pigmented as it should be, because I know this is a very strong color, which also actually takes over a lot. See the difference when I plop that on how dark it is? So it just means I didn't add enough. So you want to be aware of that. Like that color was fine, but look at how much deeper it's getting. This is more what I'm looking for. Okay, so this one isn't doing much for us, is it? Now I could add a bit more of the pink, but I think, so what I will do is I will add more of the pink and then I'll add white to it because we don't need it so similar looking, you know what I mean? So we'll pink it up and then we will add the white. Because, I mean, it's looking warmer, obviously, than the diox, but not that exciting, if you ask me, right? I mean, it's a nice color and all. Wonder, do I want to leave this and actually add white to that? You know what I mean? Because the diox is looking quite cool compared to this more violet-y thing that we're going on here. You know what I'm actually gonna do? I'm gonna add, okay, we're still gonna play around with it. Okay, so I'm gonna add some black to this to deepen this, okay? And I'm going to add some white to this. Okay, so firstly, this was a bit thin anyways, so we're gonna add one more bloop of this in here. Okay, isn't this fun? And then I'm going to add white to this and black to this. And then we'll have a nice gradient in the same color family, you know? All right, so let's stir this in for a moment. And then I'm gonna use zinc white. It is transparent. Do I have any more? Oh, just enough. Let's see how she does. I might need more. And then I think I will add bone black, which is also transparent, to the diox purple. Mixy mix. It's getting there. Okay. Pretty nice. I think I have to thicken it up anyways, but yeah. And you know what I would even do? I'm gonna do one more color with just a drop of this and mostly white. I think I like that, right? Do you see where I'm going here? Okay, so bone black. I just saw you right here, bone black. Oh, it's semi, not fully, but doesn't matter. Okay, so we're gonna do the same thing. Squeezy, wheezy, right in there, okay? And then I'm gonna add one more for this, and mostly white. Yes, smoky perps, my life is complete. Smoky perps, right? Okay, love this color, precisely, okay? Now, it is a little thin, we will thicken it up, but first let's do this. Here we go. That is enough of that, okay? Now, we're getting so full here, I have to thicken up both of these still. Okay, this, I'm going mostly white. Now, I might have to use, because I only have a little bit of this left, I might have to actually use titanium white, which is fine, it's just gonna be opaque, so I have to keep that in mind. You know what I mean? This is my Amsterdam. Can you guys see what I'm doing? No, you can't. Sorry. So, you have that there. I'm gonna take my Amsterdam, squeeze it in just a little bit because it's thick, right? Come on. Oh, there you go. All right. And now I'm gonna have to put my I'm definitely gonna need more Joe Sonia, but let's bloop this in anyways. Right? Bloop. Okay, that's gonna be enough of that. I just need a little bloop in here to thicken, and a little bloop in here to thicken. And then I'm really excited to do the swatch. I do feel like such a mad scientist. All right, let's see how we did on the color here. God, my arm hurts so much. I've been mixing Dutch pour paints. Oh my God. Yeah, see how thick it is? We're definitely gonna need more Joe Sonia, which is fine. Yes. Hello. Is this not a gradient or what? Okay. Yes. 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 A little more Joe. Okay. And then I'm gonna mix up the piggies, and then we will do a swatch, okay? Then we are ready to rumble. See, we're still thick. See what happens when you add an opaque? It really thickens up, which is fine. I got lots of room. I'm just saying, keep that in mind. First of all, why I like adding fluid paints and also transparent or semi-transparent paints. Alrighty, so let's see. So you can see here the gradient happening, right? And then here's a little sneak peek. I did two sisters with layering from light to dark, dark to light. Then you can choose which one you like better. Let's come back in a few days. Smoky Perps. Yes. Custom Violet Purple. Yep. Australian Red Violet. Yes. Meanwhile, Violet Rain. Sure. Persephone. Yes, ma'am. This custom. Gosh. Doesn't this make you kind of excited, or is it just me? And then the last custom. All right. There you go. Quick little lesson on how to make your own gradient paints. Stay tuned to see what I do with them. Have a good day. Here's a little sneak peek of what I did. I made some sisters. Stay tuned for the next couple days. Like, follow, subscribe, share, whatever. Do things. Okay, bye.